If you can spell all this name, if you can call them proper in French, I'll give you 5,000 naira.
Okay, now Victoria's. Yeah, I'm sure. Les bloquer sharp,
This is your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me at all social media platforms at Dorothy Awilo. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. Today we are the city of Lagos in Ajegunle, Alakoto. We have 10 names here written in French. If anybody can call all these names proper, we are going to give the person 5,000 naira. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. Prepare. Let's go there. My name is Dorothy. Can I know your name, madam?
My name is Lillian.
Lillian. Okay, you have 10 names here written in French. If you can call this name proper, I'm going to give you 5,000 naira. Are you ready?
Victoria. I'm a bro, not see you, doctor. So I'm not people finish.
Try.
No, I'm not.
Thank you. Who don't try? Are you ready? My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name? Ngozi. Are you ready to read all this name for me and get 5,000?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Assist, I say yes.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
My name is Grace.
Grace, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, let's go.
Constantine.
Take the camera.
Okay, Constantine. Simplicity. Jupiter. Georgie. Victory. German. Dr. T. Dr. Neil. Rogatin.
Are you sure that you are reading French? Thank you. There are 4,000 here to win. I have this French name here. Okay. If you can spell all this name, if you can call them proper in French, I'll give you 5,000 naira.
Okay, now Victoria's. Yeah, I'm sure. Les bloquer sharp,
This is what's wrong with me? Thank you. There are 5,000 here to win. Now French, 10 French name. If you can call them well, I'm going to give you 5,000. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name? Wisdom. Wisdom want to use wisdom. Nice one. Oh yeah, let's face the camera. This is French name 10. Can you call this name in French?
I'll try now.
Try.
Number 1, Constantine.
Oh yeah, now Constantine in French. Okay, oh yeah.
Number 2, Simplice.
Please. Oh yeah, let's go.
Number 3, Jupiter.
Okay, oh yeah.
Number 4, Gregor.
Fresh.
Look at that fresh.
Number 4, calm down.
Okay, now how much first? How much? 5,000. 5K. Number 4, Gregor.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Somebody should give you my card. You can watch your video. You understand? Thank you. This is your boy Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
Harry.
Harry, are you ready? Maybe I don't go search all the name. Okay, I have 10 names here in French. Let's face the camera. I have 10 names here in French. If you can call this name, I'm going to give you 5,000. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Constantine.
Okay.
Simplice. Jupiter. Destroyer. Victorine. Germain. Dorothy.
For your mind, you are reading French, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Dorothy. It's Dorothy now. Oh, remove this one. Victory.
Harry, thank you. There's 5,000 here to win. Okay, thank you. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name? Okay, this name, your French name. If you call this name proper, I'm going to give you 5,000. Are you ready? Oh yeah, let's go.
Constantine.
Okay, Constantine over French.
Simplice.
Now era.
Jupiter.
Okay, let's go.
Goje. Goji.
Now era. Oh yeah, let's go.
Victorin.
Nice one. You got that one. Victoria, you got it. Thank you. Germain. Let's go.
Dorodin.
Hey, thank you, Dorothy. Right.
Jademan.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Sorry, oh, sorry, oh.
Bogatin.
But you try, it's only Jamel, you guys. I'm going to give you 1,000. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Uncle, come and win 5,000 here. There's 5,000 here to win. 5,000. If you like this, my uncle want to try you. You want to try you. And let's roll. You can try. You can see win 5,000. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can you know your name?
My name is Elepo.
What?
Elepo.
Oil money. Next one. I have 10 names here written in French. If you can pronounce this name, I'm going to give 5,000. Oh yeah, let's face the camera.
I'm not gonna. I don't know anything. I can't try. I can't try. I can't try. I can't try.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you can call this name, you are French name, you can pronounce and we are going to give 5,000. Yes. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Moisa Amefula.
What?
Moisa Amefula.
Okay. Can you pronounce all this name in French? Your French name?
You are a mumu man.
Pronounce.
My name is Igor Samuel. I think this is Bonsantin.
In French? Yes.
The wife.
No, me, I don't know.
Thank you, thank you. So, but Dorothy Awilo, can I know your name? Promise again. Okay, these are 10 names in French. If you can call this name, let's take the camera. I'm going to give you 5,000. You want to try?
Yes.
Oh yeah, let's
You
go.
are a mumu man.
Number 6 is Jama.
Start from one.
No. Number 1 is Canster.
Canster.
Number 1 is Simpris. Oh, number 3 is Jama.
I don't understand. I say French. Okay, yeah. Yes, you even found the man.
Number 2 is Simplex. Number 3 Jopite. Number 4 Jobinette. Number 5 Victory. Number 6 Jamini.
Later now you go say you don't call me, I don't give you money. For your mind, you dey read French. Thank you. 5,000. Uncle, you want to try? Mother, you want to try? 5,000. 5,000, you no go try. Come and try. Your mama dey say you go school, you no go try. You want to try? Can I know your name? Try. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
Goodness.
Okay, let's face the camera. See, I have 10 names here waiting in French. If you can call this name, I'm going to give you 5,000.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Constantine.
Okay.
Simplice.
Okay.
Jupiter.
For French.
Jupiter. Gregorius.
Okay.
Victorine.
Okay.
Jermaine.
Nice one.
Dirty. Dudon.
Thank you. You get only one name there, Victorine. That's the only you get. I'm going to give you 1,000. Yeah, let's go. Okay, Clement Emmanuel. I have 10 names written in French here. If you can call this name proper in French, I'm going to give you 5,000. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go.
Constantin.
Okay.
Simplice.
Hey, Jesus. Try again. You call the first one. Try.
Simplice.
Oh yeah, let's go. Continue.
Jupiter.
Hey, French.
Okay. Jupiter.
Try.
Jupiter.
Thank you. You can't get it, but you get the Constantine. I'm going to give you 1,000. Thank you. 5,000 to win. You want to try? Mother, try now. You go win. Try. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name? Hey. Come on, now to try. You want to try? Okay, my name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name? Aishat. Okay. I have 10 names here. All the names are French. If you call this name proper, I'm going to give you 5,000. Are you ready?
I will try.
Yeah, try.
Constantine.
Okay.
Simplice.
Hey, Jesus. I say French. Not be simplified there. Oh. You're in front of camera.
Constantine. Simplice. Jupiter. Cargo. Victoria.
Sorry, oh.
Gamen. Dorothy. Dagoni.
Hey, you try all this name. You call two. You call Constantine, but because somebody already mentioned Constantine here, and you call Dorothée, I'll give you 1,000 for that Dorothée. Thank you.